welcome to DRUPA. We are also showing Bizpress 13R, one of the smallest compact size digital roll-to-roll label printer using laser toner dry inks. We've been selling this machine about 300 units for 7 years. This year we are newly showing new capability of white color, also new professional RIP software. So this is a new software. You can do linearization, ICC profiling, cost calculation, auto nesting and everything in professional way. You can do color tracking also very precisely. So every morning, if your condition differs, you can adjust linear curves, then you will keep the same colors every day. Okay. So as you know, you guys, this is using xerox toner-based engine. If you can change black by white, it will take about 10 minutes only. With the ray guide system, it is sliced down and up, so you can easily change the white toner. With the white toner, you can print white colors like this, also like this. In this case, we mix CMY to make it black, and we can control brownish black or cool black by color measurement. It controls the web path precisely with the web guide system here. Also, we have a tension control system for unwinding part and rewind part. We have also sensor to sense blank marks or gaps for printed labels. So overprinting is also possible. This is a 1200 by 2400 dpi engine, so you will get very good quality of printing. This xerox engine has a relatively lower freezing temperature, so you can print on all kind of paper, all kind of BOPP, even like a 30 micron thin paper. Also, you can print on coated PET film, Tyvek, nylon, even nylon. Yeah, you have many choices. Okay? Thank you.